Hello students, standard 7th. In maths we are busy with the chapter number 6, the triangle and its properties. Now in last session we learned about a very important property for right angled triangles, and that property is known as Pythagoras property. Pythagoras property says that the square of hypotenuse is equal to sum of square of its legs. So in right angle triangle we know that hypotenuse is the longest side, which is the side opposite to the right angle. On the basis of that Pythagoras property, we did some examples which was in the try this. So now let's start exercise 6.5. Question number 1. It says that triangle PQR is a triangle right angled at P. If PQ is equal to 10 centimeter and PR is equal to 24 centimeter, find QR. So whenever this type of situation, the first step is to draw a rough figure of right triangle. So when you draw the triangle, keep in the mind, as I tell you in the beginning also when we learn this property, that check right angled at P means P must be here at the right angle, and QR you can write down as you want, if you want to put QNR here or QNR here, but P must be here because right angled at P, so P is the right angle. Now PQ is equal to 10, so here it is given 10 centimeter and PR is equal to 24 centimeter. So now these two sides are given and we have to find the hypotenuse, and we know the Pythagoras property. So now here in triangle PQR, angle P is equal to 90. Therefore by Pythagoras property, we know that square of hypotenuse, what is the hypotenuse here? QR. So QR square is equal to sum of squares of its legs. These are the two legs. So PQ square plus PR square. So QR square is equal to PQ square plus PR square. So now we will substitute the values of the given sides. PQ is given as 10 centimeter. So 10 square plus PR is given 24. 10 square is 100. 24 square is 576. If you don't remember 24 square, in rough you can make the square. 576 plus 100 is 676. And 676 is, I think, the square of 26. Yes, it is the square of 26. So QR square we get, so QR is equal to 26 centimeter. So by Pythagoras property, but if you make a mistake, let me show you. If you make mistake, triangle PQR and you write down like that PQR, and then QR we have to find, and PR is equal to 24. So now you will do like that, then you will never get your answer. Then you will say, sir, something is wrong, answer is not coming, because you draw the wrong figure. Figure is wrong, not wrong, but naming is wrong, very. So P must be here, because right angle at P, and therefore you will not get the right answer. So that is the main thing. Let's do the question number 2. ABC is a triangle. Right angled at C. If AB is equal to 25, AB is equal to 25 centimeter and AC is equal to 7 centimeter. Find BC. Find BC. So here also, as I told you, that first thing is to draw the triangle and naming properly. So it's a triangle ABC. Now first check right angle at C. So C must be here. A and B doesn't matter, but C must be here. So you can write down A and B, or vice versa. You can put B up and A down also. Same thing. But C must be here. You can't change because it is a right angle at C. And as I told you here also, if you make ABC like that, then you will not get your answer. AB is equal to 25 centimeter. So here the hypotenuse is already given. And AC is equal to 7 centimeter. So that AC 7 centimeter, and we have to find BC. So same thing we have to do, just difference is here we have to find hypotenuse. Yes, hypotenuse is given, but one of the legs is to find. So same thing. Now here triangle ABC. Which angle is 90 degree? Angle C is equal to 90 degree. So here you can write down AB square plus BC square is equal to AC square. Here hypotenuse is AB and those are the two legs. So you can write down like AC square plus BC square is equal to AB square. AC square is 7. BC square we have to find, and AB square, AB is 25. So 25 square. 7 square is 49 plus BC square is equal to 625. 25 square is 625. Therefore, BC square is equal to 625 minus 49. Now do the subtraction. (576). We know that 576 is square of 24. Therefore, BC is equal to 24 centimeter. Now, third question. A 15-meter long ladder reached a window (12 meters) high from the ground. from the ground. Then on placing it against a wall, at a distance D, at a distance A, find the distance of the foot of the ladder from the wall. So here the situation is given like that, it will make a right triangle. Given that the 15-meter long ladder reached a window 12-meter high from the ground. This is the ground, and here there is the ladder, like that, and ladder's length is 15 meter, so that is your 15 meter. Reach a window 12 meter high from the ground. This is the ground, that is the 12 meter, here it is window, and it is 12 meter high, and the distance is A. We have to find here A. So here we can give the name of the triangle if they don't give. Here AC is equal to length of ladder, and that is given as 15 meter, and AB height of window, and that is also given 12 meter. So now here you can see that the right angle triangle is forming. So here triangle ABC is right angled triangle. In which angle is 90 degree? Angle B is equal to 90 degree. So now by Pythagoras property, we have to use the Pythagoras property. AB square, I mean the foots, AB square plus BC square is equal to the square of hypotenuse AC square. AB square plus BC square is equal to AC square. Now we will substitute the values. AB is equal to 12 meter, so 12 square, plus BC we have to find, so A square, and that is AC 15 square. Now 12 square is 144, so 144 plus A square, now square of 15, 15 multiplied by 15 is 225. So now therefore A square is equal to 225 minus 144. So now subtraction, 5 minus 4 is 1, 12 minus 4 is 8 and 0. Now we know that 81 is 9 square, therefore A is equal to 9. Therefore the distance of foot of the ladder, foot of the ladder from the wall is 9 meter. So when you know the Pythagoras property and according to the situation, if you draw the figure and use the Pythagoras property properly, then easily we can find out the answer. Here we are going to finish the session and it will be followed by PDF. If there is confusion, write down in the comment section. Thank you very much.